Thank Tallew for going through and sending me this scraper kit in exchange for an honest review. I'm excited to go through and use this because there are times I need to scrape something and I didn't really have a tool. Now I have every tool I can think of. Let's go through and show you the unboxing and show you the tools. So these are great plastic scraper tools. They include a long and short plastic scraper, a plastic pick, putty knife, and a variety of thin spudgers. Complete 9 set that'll meet everything you need. There's a razor blade scraper made of plastic, which is sturdy and durable, with the highest that is not easy to break under pressure. Also a multifunctional cleaner scraper. This plastic scraper tool set is great for cleaning crevices such as tight corners, edges. Scrapes are great for removing labels, stickers, grease, paint, candle wax, dirt, soap, dried foods. For me, it's actually a sticker I have on my water bottle. I've had this water bottle, it's been to the dishwasher at least 10 times. It still has some sticky stuff from the sticker. Oddly enough, it never went away. So we're going to go through and use this scraping tool and take it off. And you can see there, it actually worked fairly easy. So great kit. I'm going to go through and have this sitting around for me, and anytime I need to scrape something off, this is where I'm going. My box labeled scrape kit will always go through and help me out and get it fixed. Would I purchase this? Knowing what I know now? Definitely. I needed one of these.